if you want to break Shawn Michaels' volume, this is what you have to do. You have to fill all these up. It take a long time, so I'll pause. Listen, the best way to do it is like this. Just don't go too fast or something like this will happen. Go slow like this. Almost done. Now, if you want to make it more, you need to add these on the bottom. And then the audio will be completely glitched. Listen. Turn the tempo up a little. Try and make it like this much. See, for best result, turn it up all the way. The song gets insanely glitched. That's how to completely break the volume of Shawn Michaels. Anyways, that's all I have for today, so goodbye. See you in my next video.